Not it. Alright, so we're here. Yeah. And we just went on that thing. Well, I didn't, but she didn't. And I got really injured. And second time I've got injured on this trip. I cut my nose and my chin in Chicago because I smashed into the roof and then smashed into the floor because there's a really big fan and it freaked me out. Tourists were fun too. It's funny those point and laugh. We're the good kind of tourists. It's a funny thing. Anyway, so we're here to look at ostriches. Let's go meet the psycho ostriches, shall we? Oh my god, the geese are walking across the street. Why did the geese cross the street? I hope they eat someone. I really do. She's scared. I'm scared of geese. Okay. So here we go. Let's go meet some We're not getting too close. Don't get too close. I'm gonna zoom in so I don't get too close. Dun dun dun. It's funny because they were all spread around and then suddenly they started swarming. And it kind of freaked us out. They probably wanted food. Scary. Oh my gosh. It's just fascinating. That's right. Alright. You're showing your strength, Allison. Go. What do I have to do? Okay. Oh my god. I can't even see him do anything. It doesn't like you. I don't like you either. Add that one to another list of my animals. It's a fucking ostrich. Oh my god. Alright.